Isinusulong ng mga opisyal ng APEC ang pagpapalakas ng service sector ng mga umuunlad na bansa dahil sa kontribusyon na naturang sektor sa paglago ng ekonomiya. Nagbabalik ang aming kasama si George Bandola.
75% ng mga industriya sa 21 bansang kasapi ng Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation ay mga micro, small and medium enterprises. 95% sa mga MSMEs na ito ay binubuo ng service sector. Kaya sabi ng APEC, higit kailanman dapat na mapalakas ang service sector lalo na sa mga developing countries na umaasa ng malaki sa industry. Sa Public-Private Dialogue on Services, sabi ni APEC Senior Officials Chair Undersecretary Laura Del Rosario, tila hiwalay na galaxy ang service sector na lingid sa kaalaman ng marami, ito ang bumubuhay sa ekonomiya ng mga bansa.
The services universe is another galaxy. That's why some people are afraid to talk about it because they don't understand it. Or maybe they're afraid of it. So for me, anything I don't understand, I want to talk about. So that at least I know how I can harness it. And so that how to harness it. And if I may paraphrase President Kenny, because it is hard. And because it is hard, then we know it's going to be important and we know it's going to be useful.
Hangarin ng alinmang bansa ang inclusive growth, kaya naniniwala ang APEC na mapag-usapan at magkaroon ng mga batayang polisiya ang bawat ekonomiya para matulungan at mapaunlad ang sektor. Sektor na nagpapatakbo ng shipbuilding, banking, turismo at maraming iba pa.
The services sector is the single biggest creator of jobs in the region, accounting for 60% of employment. It has become the most dynamic segment of international trade. A report by the ADBI and PEC reported that the services sector now accounts for 68% of value add in the Asia-Pacific region, making it the largest sector in the regional economy.
Halos lahat ng bansa ay tila nauhuli rin sa hangarin ng inclusive growth, kaya susi daw ang mga ganitong pagtalakay ng mga issue at hamon sa sektor kung paano ito matutugunan, tulad ng ginagawa ng Pilipinas.
While our economies have experienced growth, we continue to face poverty and disparity in income and opportunity. Our primary challenge is making economic growth inclusive. That is, how do we ensure that the benefits of prosperity are shared?
Target ng dialogue na mapalakas pa ang service sector sa mga industriya ng manufacturing, agriculture at environment-related industries.
In line with that theme of inclusive growth, however, we need to also delve deeply and understand how more open trade and investment in services also help smaller companies, professional service providers, focus more on domestic market.
Mula sa Boracay, Aklan, kasama si cameraman Joel Mamaril para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.